Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Winter weather with its snow and ice can often have a major impact on birds. For instance, if inclement weather forces a common loon to land on a small body of water, such as a pond, the bird may not be able to take flight again. Loons need to run for a long distance over the water's surface in order to take flight.
Take our lead.
Not all birds sleep on branches, however. Waterfowl and shorebirds sleep near the water. Ducks often stand at the water's edge or on a partially submerged stick or rock and tuck one foot into their body, much like birds do on perches. Wherever birds can get a good footing, they tuck themselves in for a rest.
Take our lead.
Winter birds myth. Birds will freeze to death when temperatures drop far below zero. They store fat during the short days of winter to keep themselves warm during the long nights. During those freezing nights, they fluff their feathers to trap heat and slow their metabolism to conserve energy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.